scares me.
When she on the beat, boy.
Alright, what's up? What's going on, everyone? Hey! Anybody here? As always, we are going to be doing something very, very interesting, and that is doing some earnings report reaction to a company which I really, really like. And like in terms of the business model, I like the way this company is just the products, the mission, and almost everything I like about it. It's great. I love Lemonade. I'm in Canada, so obviously I don't know what's it like to actually use the insurance because I don't have that option. But I want to be able to just really take a look at it as the company and really start my position investing into this company. I really, really like it. There's a lot of things I could say. It's a technology company, insurance as well. They do things so differently from other insurance companies, which I find is very impressive as well. And that's really about it. I'm just here to give you my live reaction and all to Lemonade. I think it's such a fabulous company. A lot of things I could say about it. I think it's a great investment in my own portfolio in a way. Just having a technology company in there. So that's what I'm very, very curious about. I am also interested in Roblox because Roblox is reporting as well after the earnings. So what's we'll see about that. What is going on with the earnings in a way, what guidance is doing. So yeah, if you are invested in Lemonade, please let me know what you think of it. What do you think of this so far? What the hell is going on? Yeah, so that's really about it. What is going to go with this company? I like the revenue numbers right here. 33 million. Obviously they're not going to be profitable for a while, for a few years probably, but that doesn't matter. And I think it's time I really start my position in this company. I've done my research. I'm ready to buy in, but not at this price. I kind of missed out on the opportunity. I think a few weeks ago when it was around 60 something. That's because I haven't really finished my research. And then right after I finished my research, boom! Lemonade car launches, and then that builds up a new kind of support level. We'll see if it can drop back down to around 60s because still very high valuation at the moment, around 30 something price to sales ratio. But I'm not in a rush, honestly. Not in a rush to really buy it. I'm learning to be patient now. Like almost every time I buy into a company, I have to buy it 2 times because the first time I buy it, that's always not the best price. Okay? So that's really about it. So once it reaches 60, I'm gonna start my position and it's gonna build my way up the lower it goes. But yeah, we'll just wait until earnings come out. If you are in the chat, let me know if you are an investor in this company and love to hear your thoughts. Meanwhile, I'm also invested in Roblox, so I gotta check out Roblox and what's up with them. What kind of earnings results do they have? So yeah, let me know if you're interested in this company. What would make you want to buy this company like that? I'm always curious to hear your opinions. Alright. Has it launched yet? No results yet. So we'll wait for a while. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna see what's going on with my other company in a way. So let's see what's going on. Maybe I should switch it up to Roblox. Cause do they have here? As I have another earnings report. Holy, what's going on right here? Oh my goodness. Meta stock.
On the beat, boy.
What is going on with Roblox? Yeah, I might as well switch it to Roblox in a way. What is their and when is their earnings report? Oh, it's at 5:30 a.m. Holy crap. That's quite early. You know what? I'm actually gonna probably switch it to Roblox instead. I think that's gonna they're not releasing their earnings report yet. All right, let's check it out. So, come on, Lemonade, I'm waiting for you. Oh, is that new news? Lemonade to acquire Metro Mile. What? What is this? You just announced it right now. Okay, a new announcement. Lemonade to acquire Metro Mile. Powered by AI and social good, the data science company that focuses on auto insurance has entered an agreement with Lemonade to acquire an all-stock transaction that's worth about $500 million, or just over $200 million net cash. Oh, Winty Beats! Hi, how's it going, Winty? Hey, do you like the song? Oh, but that doesn't sound good, your expression. Is it because of your project partners? What's going on? While Lemonade has been at the forefront of using big data and AI in home and pet insurance, Metromile has been a parallel path for car insurance. So this works perfectly with their Lemonade car insurance. So it's a type of data for miles per driven. The algorithms hold a promise for helping Lemonade Car in terms of car insurance space. We launched Lemonade Car last week, and we think you'll love how it looks. You see, it's going to be powered by architect, and data generates with precision pricing for its ultimate destination. That's where Metro Mile comes in. They have been down this road billions of times before, and the data will help us with the cost of this journey. Oh my gosh, what's going on? In a vast and competitive market like auto insurance, today's deal is a huge unlock of value for our consumers. $500 million, holy! That's pretty huge in terms of stock. So how much is the company worth right now? 4.3 billion. So 500 million out of 4.3 is about 11% they paid. That's why the company's going down. Okay. Holy, that's crazy right now. Oh my gosh. Let's take a look, Winzy. I have a rough draft due tonight and I'm still not even halfway there. Do you need help on it? I can help you out. Yeah, I'm always willing to help you out.
Quincy on the beat, boy.
Yeah. I mean, you can just enjoy the music because it's your own music, man. This is your own music. So yeah, while we wait for this deal. Okay, so Metro Mile enjoys 49 state licenses, over 100 million of in-force premium, over 250 million of cash on the balance sheet, and a team unmatched for the expertise in big data and AI for car insurance. We have a long admiration for Lemonade for its beautiful products and socially impactful businesses. That's what I like about Lemonade. Socially impactful businesses for the society, for the benefits. Joining forces with Lemonade Car will create the most customer-centric, affordable car insurance and is a great outcome for Metro Mile shareholders who will benefit as shareholders of the combined company. It also means now that homeowners, renters, and drivers can have all their insurance needs with a single company. Understand that. That truly has the best interests of people. Hey Fyodor Macintosh, how's it going? Did they beat the negative earnings? I'd like to know that too because it doesn't show in their latest conference report. It's not out yet. I don't think so. Cause look, I'm just on the website and there's nothing. You came at a great time. They just released their new news on acquiring Metro Mile for $500 million. Okay? And they bought it with all their stock. So that's why you see a big drop in stock price. Because they literally gave up $500 million of their stock, which is like 11% of the company. So it's a huge buy. But that's in a way to really boost up their sales and their better network for Lemonade Car in a way. So what do y'all think of this deal? Gotcha. Ooh, okay. Yeah, that's right. That's what I really like. Yeah, I think it's a great deal. If they're able to integrate it well with Lemonade Car, obviously. Lemonade Car is it's gonna be a big driver of the revenue, right? So they have to make all these good deals to really help out that ecosystem and that service in a way. I like it. Check it out. You can read some of the information here, and so hopefully you like it as well. But yeah, this is a huge big drop. I haven't purchased Lemonade yet, the shares. I am really thinking of buying it now. No, I will buy it if tomorrow this price opens up. For sure, I'm gonna start off my position, and I'm gonna be a proud owner of Lemonade. That's what it is. But we'll see how the earnings report comes as well. So Fyodor, are you currently a shareholder of Lemonade? Curious, what makes you invested in this company and all that. Just love to hear your curious opinion and all. Love it. Oh, presentation is now available. Sweet. Oh, it's just an accusation deal. Never mind. So you can take a look at it. And I'm just gonna go watch it first while you let me know what's going on Everyone, if you're just joining in, Lemonade has bought Metro Mile. Okay, huge acquisition, 10% of their shares. Okay, all stock deal, 10%, $500 million. And I'll just be right back. Just going to the washroom.
When she on the beat, boy.
Alright, I am now back. Just went to the washroom. How y'all doing? Love to know how y'all doing. Let's actually take a look at this purchase deal. And Theodore, let's take a look at what you said. I like the growth of Lemonade. It depends on Metro Miles' profitability. That's right. That's why it's really important to see what kind of deal this is, right? Like, they bought it for all this, right? But it feels like Metro Mile, they have about over 100 million of in-force premium. And what in-force premium really is, obviously, you should know this as well. Really, how much the insurance people, not insurance people, but the consumers pay in terms of insurance per claim as well, for the claim. So 100 million buying this, and they also have about over 250 million dollars of cash on the balance sheet. So in a way, it's not too bad, honestly. I think if you have like 250 million on cash, this company, and you sold yourself for 500 million, I think it's a nice deal for Lemonade. I like that. I like that deal. But obviously, you'll see how it integrates with the Lemonade car business, right? In terms of its value, it's mainly for the data, right? That's what it is. That's what this is going to be. You know, how does it incorporate well with making Lemonade Car a better service in a way, in terms of, you know, claims, right? Claims process and the insurance and all that stuff. It could lead to AI driving as well, right? So very powerful data that they're getting. You only trade, so trading as in just like short term, right? Like you buy and sell like that, right? I like this mile deal because now Lemonade doesn't have to get state licenses. Oh yeah, I guess so. That's a good one. I don't really know too much about American insurance because I'm from Canada. That's a whole different operation here. So we'll see. So over 3 billion miles of this data, okay. Third gen machine learning models. 47% average reported customer savings, while peer gross loss ratio is within 10% of Geico and Progressive direct business. Now 10% as in like more than 10% or less than 10%? This number is not too bad. Average reported customer savings. So it's all right here, the transaction. Deal reflects equity value of about 500 million. Expected to finish next year at Q2. So basically sometimes mid half of next year. Dilemmas are opportunity. Hey, Warren Buffett, what's up? On the issue of matching rate to risk, Geico clearly missed the bus and was late in terms of appreciating the value of telematics. It is difficult for people with massive legacy businesses to protect and adopt new technologies that call for 30% rate decrease for 2/3 of their consumers. That may explain why 96% of these policies use no telematics data, while 4% that do tend to turn it off after 2 weeks to underweight its signals. Innovators, legacy-free companies built from scratch in the 21st century are uniquely positioned to lead the industry's graduation, so the transformation from pricing-based to more pricing on data streams. So instead of policy, it's now more on data pricing. Yes, and that's what it is, the next gen, right? This company is. This company, most of its consumer base is the millennials and Gen Z in a way. So I feel like this company in the next 10 to 20 years has a huge total available market for them to capture. They also talk about Metro's 10-year head start and AI and big data for car insurance. Transactions should enable Lemonade to bypass the riskiest phase of the Lemonade car growth and leapfrog to a leadership position in pricing. And here's how they show. Getting good at car insurance. Oh, so okay, I did not know that, but thank you for telling me. So telematics data is driver behavioral data. Thank you very much. I learned something new. Hey, that's what it is. The method of monitoring cars, trucks by using GPS. Got it. Yes, and that's important, right? And if you factor that into how it really relates to AI and autopilot, right? All that stuff, auto driving. It's a very exciting 10 years, and for Lemonade to really put a lot of their resources into car insurance, huge, because that's going to be the main revenue driver in the future. So this is how Lemonade shows how they're gonna get good at car insurance. First off, customers generate real-world data through driving, and then the machine, like what we have here, Metro Mile machine learning improves the models, and then file using your best models like that. So it's like that loop in a way, in that cycle and all that. Yeah, so if you drive crazy, you have a higher premium. Definitely, that's how they really assess you in Canada as well. It's something called driver factor. We use something called ICBC in Canada. So whereas more like your driving record based on your past history in a way, and that depends on your insurance in a way, so all that stuff. It's very, very interesting system in a way. The thing is though, if you do get involved in a crash or something, even a small one, It increases your rate by a lot, which doesn't really make sense. I don't think it does, right? But the insurance policy in Canada, it's still very traditional based, super traditional based. We don't have it. We don't have lemonade here. I would love to be a consumer and a customer of lemonade if they do come to Canada. So Fierdo, do you drive crazy? I just want to hear. Do you drive crazy or not?
When she on the beat, boy.
Oh my goodness. Okay, and then they also say how this Metro Mile fits really perfectly into Lemonade's business. Complete? Wow, they complete us. Oh my gosh, that feels like romance in a way. Metro Mile, car-specific data science and insurance expertise. In terms of growth, branding, customer service experience, products, and their capital. And then their financial impact and synergies. They have about more than 100 million of their in-force premiums. I drive slow like a grandpa, slow and steady, buddy. That's good. Honestly, like, lots of young people tend to drive fast and think it's cool and all, but it's dangerous in a way. You know, especially if you're out with your date or something and trying to impress them, just take it slow. Come on. You're not in a rush to get anywhere and stuff. Like, it makes sense. I agree with you. Slow and steady, it's alright. But don't be the type of driver that's like really slow. That makes people honk at you all the time. So as it's shown here, the revenue is about more than 100 million of premiums. Accelerated growth trajectory enabled by faster state release. The ability to leverage Metro Miles data science to deliver loss ratio at a lower and more predictable rate than average. Significant majority of Metro Miles expense to replace previously Lemonade's 2022 and 2023 expenses. Most of Metro Miles people fit in roles we intend to hire within our. So it fits well. It feels like the business model. Okay, so far so good. Love to hear what management has to say tomorrow on it. But first, we have to get to the earnings report. Which is not happening. I guess they forgot to give us the earnings report. Damn, all in stock, no wonder. Alright, usually is earnings report this late? Usually for these companies like that, it's like the first 10 minutes after market closes. So I wonder what's going on. Meanwhile, I'm invested in Roblox in a way, so this company went insane. Holy 30%. What exactly happened to that company? I'll check it out in the quarterly report afterwards. But something huge happened. Yeah, literally just skyrocketing. What the hell is going on? Yes, Roblox did some reporting. I initially was gonna do coverage on Roblox because I'm an investor in Roblox, actually, and it went insane. Right now it's up 30%. You guys want to see it? Here, right here, earnings, crazy, 30%. That's because they literally smashed analysts' expectation. $636 million of revenue, right? And I think they did about Let's see, how much did they do? How much did they do? I know they did pretty well in a way to actually get this. Obviously, it's not sustainable. Tomorrow's probably gonna open up at like $80 or something, 80 something, but we'll see. Yeah, actually, my little cousin, not little cousin anymore, but my cousin, he plays this game, and I like the model of the game in a way, and I like teaching him about investments. So I kind of bought the company, bought some shares of the company to show him, you know what, investment is something you can consider when you're 18, right? Once you reach 18, you can actually invest yourself, or you can start investing now if you want to through someone's account. Just trying to teach him in a way. And so this is kind of something I've thought, like, maybe when he gets to 18, I can give him all the shares. But something like, we'll see. Maybe I have to sell out before then. Because the 8-year hold it's intense, okay? How can I hold something for 8 years? Do I have the patience? Hey Anders, hello! Lemonade acquires Metro Mile in an all-stock transaction. That's right, that's what we reported actually. Yeah, what do you think? What are your opinions on the transaction itself? Do you really think it's a great fit for the company? What's your reaction? Me and Fyodor, actually, we agree that it's gonna actually fit into the business really nicely, especially behind driving behavior for a lot of consumers in a way, and that's gonna really help out with the insurance side, the pricing side, finding the right prices and package a good fit for almost everyone. I'm not in America. I'm in Canada. I want to be a customer of Lemonade. I love them to come to Canada, and I want to be able to be a customer of them and give you guys just a review on Lemonade itself. But you know what? Hopefully they expand to Canada soon. So yeah, are those of you that's in this live stream right now, how many of you are actually in America? I'm curious. Let me know. I'm from Canada. I'm in North America, but not in USA. So we have earnings prediction of about 33 million and negative earnings estimate as expected. We'll see how, what are some of the things that I'm really paying attention to, and I got some great information from Motley Fool in a way. Enforced premiums, right? From your customers, right? That's basically like how much premium your customer is paying each, right? And your customer base as well. So this is very good. I like Motley Fool. They give out some really nice information, right? And you want to look at your gross loss ratio as well. I want to see what's that. How has that been recently, the last quarter? Oh, okay. We have Gatito Plays Games YT Mexico. Sweet. You live in Mexico. How is it like in Mexico at the moment? And Anders, you're from Denmark. Wow, very international base actually. I really like this. I like YouTube because it brings everyone together in a way. We're so far away from each other. So, but the thing is, we're connected, right? So thank you very much for just joining in today and really participating in this stream. And I appreciate if you guys give a like on the video, because that will really help me out. A like on the video just helps out with the channel growth in any way. So that's appreciated for me just doing a video, something like this. Thank you very much. Okay, that's a simple like. It means a lot to me. Sweet. So where in Mexico and where in Denmark and where in America are you guys from? And meanwhile, I'm going to talk a little bit about the earnings recap. The in-force premium from last quarter went up to 91% year over year, with it reaching about 297 million and about 1.2 million customers, which is a big increase of 48% year over year. Premium per customer increased 29% to $246. That's a 29% year over year increase. And the gross earned premium increased about 90%. A year ago, Lemonade transitioned to a more of a quota share reinsurance program. And I actually found a really helpful video to really break down this new revenue model, right? Because if you just read it like this, I find it hard to understand. And someone was able to actually like really help out. It's called Mr. Alpaca. You know, he's a new YouTuber as well, but he's really growing, and I really like his videos as well. So let's figure it out. He did something really awesome right here.
Including German.
He broke down the revenue like this. I love it like that. Now maybe this is actually part of the earnings presentation that I really missed out, but I like this part because
5% on their book.
this is super simple to understand in a way, and like just looking at this it's easier, right? Like this is now new Lemonade's business revenue, like that. How much premium you receive, right? 25% you keep, okay, Lemonade keeps, and then 75% is to the other insurance company that insures Lemonade. And then afterwards, commission as well. So just the commission that they pay to Lemonade in a way. Love this model. Okay, I love how he draws it out. I'm not sure if he actually drew this out, but
Before the program,
I like it. Okay, it makes me understand it much easier how to actually how Lemonade actually gets their revenue like that. Okay, through this. Meanwhile, still waiting. Washington. Oh, Washington is close. What's it like in Washington? Like, what's the temperature like and all living there? I love to I want to know more about everyone's like, you know, home and all that, like, you know, because I don't get a chance to really travel a lot. So I just hear from all of you guys, right? So you're from Denmark. I'm not sure where in Denmark, but let me know. Querétaro. Querétaro, is that right? Is that how you pronounce it? And what's it like living there as well? Querétaro. I will search that up right now. Querétaro. Oh, I first time hearing that place, so I don't really know. What's it like there? So like, obviously, this finance is a big part of my channel, but I also do well-being and also do health in a way, so all that stuff. Just that's something that makes my YouTube channel a little bit more unique, not just finances. You know, finance is important, but like there's other things in life that's more important. All right. Did they forget to announce earnings? Did they forget? Ouch! Going to get another 10 to 50% drop. Lemonade is down because they're buying another company. Yeah, that's what it is. I think it's a good transaction, but obviously, oh wait, see, Berkshire Hathaway should have bought Metromile. Berkshire now owns a Geico. Berkshire could and should pay $10 for miles at Enterprise worth a lot of money. I will vote against the merger. Wow. and Lemonade Exchange is unacceptable. What? Why is it unacceptable? What's up with earnings? Yeah, what's up with earnings? How come it's taking so long? Meanwhile, I'm just gonna take a look at Roblox's earnings. Look at that, 29%, skyrocketing after strong third quarter. What was the analyst expectations, honestly? 636 million and loss of 14 cents of profit. So I'm looking at Roblox earnings right now because there's not much to really think about in terms of Lemonade. There's not much details right now. It's only like the new deal. And look at that! The stock has gone back up. Whoa! Look at this. Oh, never mind. 5% drop. So yeah, let me know when the earnings are actually out. Don't know what's taking them so long. Shouldn't usually take them this long, honestly. But we'll see. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna take a look at Roblox. Third quarter highlights. Revenue increased 102% over third quarter to 509 million. Okay. So the thing is, analyst has them 636. But I think we don't use this actual number for, you know, revenue. They use another number as well, and I believe that's called bookings. Net loss is about 74 million. Cash as well. Free cash flow increased 7% over third quarter to 170 million. Yeah, I think this, we'll just wait. Bookings increased 28% to 637 million. That's the number we want to look at for Roblox, which is in line. Okay. Average daily users were up 31%. Wow. Okay, that's impressive. I think this is what gets investors going crazy. This 31% is huge. You think about it. Last year when you thought it's already big, right? That's as big as it can get. No, 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 no. It's even bigger this quarter. Hours engaged was 28% increase. Average bookings per daily active users was $13.49. We're very pleased to announce that during the third quarter, people of all ages across the globe chose to spend over 11 billion hours on Roblox. Happy to report that the developer community earned over 130 million in a quarter. Oh, the developer community, that's a lot. 130 million in a quarter, and is on pace to earn over 500 this year. If you change the video to Roblox, you'll probably get more viewers. Roblox is hot right now. That's what I've been thinking. Like when I started the video, I was like, damn, I actually have two companies I'm really interested in that's reporting at the same time. What do I do? They're like, let's just go with Lemonade, because you know, I like both. I like Lemonade, and I like Roblox too, but let's just go with Lemonade. And then, boom. You know, but the thing is, hey, if I went with Roblox, right, I wouldn't have met you guys. So it's fate that we met each other like this. So thank you very much for joining in. Just really glad to have you guys participate in the live stream, and hope you guys can check out some of my other videos as well. Hopefully it helps you in some way to be a better investor. So thanks a lot. Yeah, it's hot. What the? Look at this. Trending ticker. This should be trending right now. People are going ham right now. Yeah, engagement up 28% over last year. That's the huge number. Yeah, this was unexpected. 28%. That shows to you that even more people are playing this game. Growth in all of our core metrics, daily active users, hours, and bookings displays strong year-over-year growth despite coronavirus and back to school seasonality. Okay, and based on our October results, we appear to have a great start to the last quarter of the year. Now, do you remember when Roblox was down like down during Halloween time. There was a time where the server was down for like 3 days. So it actually ruined it because Halloween is a big event, right? And a lot of people really expected the Halloween event to be really big for Roblox. They couldn't participate. But anyways, I am here actually honestly to do Lemonade earnings. So please give the people what they want. Give me the earnings report. I got school soon. Please. Just release it. I can cover it for like 30 minutes or something and then I gotta go to school. And that's really about it. Okay, let's take a look at the results here. Assets. Nothing really to really look out at. Cash. Whoa! That's massive. 1.9. Okay, that's huge. Compared to last year too. Is it because they took out some debt in a way? Let's see. Need to pay attention to the debt. Not. The liabilities has increased in a way. Current liabilities, yes. Probably. But still, they're okay. Not too worrisome in terms of finances. They're okay. They're alright. They got less. Lemonade's getting crushed. No, it's not. It's like 5%. Come on. Don't worry about it, man. Like, you look at it a year ago, a month ago. Look at that. Not a month ago, just a few weeks. It's about 60. I would have bought there. I would have started my position there and just hold. If it goes lower than that, buy more. But I didn't finish my research on time. I was doing research on this company and also comparing it to Hippo. If you know Hippo, another North American insurance company. They don't have as good as a business model as Lemonade, but they trade at a much cheaper valuation in a way. So I would have started my position there and then just, I don't care if it goes drop, sure. I'm comfortable, but I hope it sells. I don't want to be mean, but like, if it drops below 65, I'm a buyer. I'll buy it, and then if it drops more, buying more. Okay. I think it needs to start showing a profit before I buy for an investment. I understand your idea. Why would you not want to invest in it? You know, you want to see improvements in the profitability, right? Instead of like not losing money all the time. So obviously this is a big business expansion, right? That's why it trades at a super high price to sales ratio, I believe. It's 35 from what I calculated because you look at its financials, right? Sorry, analysis. You look at this year's average revenue, 124 million, right? 124 million, and right now it's trading at 4.3 billion, right? So you just take this 4.3 billion divided by 124. Let's say they make that much, okay, on average, just using analyst expectations. 35 for an insurance company, okay? So that's expensive at this price. Now, if it trades like 10% lower, so that's like $60, you can say, $60. That's more reasonable, like $4 billion, right? Or maybe 3.9. Still, it's like, it's alright. It's still expensive. That's why I'm not tempted to buy it when it's like 70s. Long term, it will be a great company if they're able to turn a great profit because they do have a beautiful business model in a way, right? Once they get you into the ecosystem, I think you're going to be a long time customer of them. I don't see you switching, you know, unless there's something better than Lemonade, right? Anyways, back to Roblox earnings because I have no idea when's the Lemonade report. But besides this company, any of you buy other companies as well? Curious to know your other investments, you know, besides Lemonade and probably maybe you're invested in Roblox or no. If you haven't already, you can go to my channel and check out my recent video on my portfolio announcement, where I show you, where I review to you my entire portfolio at the moment. Hey Moot, how's it going? Are you going to listen into Lemonade's call here? Hey, you know what? Lemonade earnings call? I don't think it's today. It's actually tomorrow. Look, it's gonna host a conference call tomorrow at 5 o'clock Pacific time. No, I'll be sleeping. I'm sorry, I can't wake up that early just to listen to a conference call. I live in the Pacific. I live in Vancouver, okay? No, sometimes I wish I moved to like an eastern city. That way I can actually make it to these calls and stream about them as well, because I can get a lot of viewers like that in a way. But 5 o'clock, sorry. I won't. I'll be listening to the replay. Here's the revenue, cost. Oh, this is huge too. Developer exchange fees. So all the cost has gone up, especially developer fee. And you got it, right? Because your developer is what makes your game great in a way. But it shouldn't go super high that, you know, it's causing you to lose a lot more profit. Loss from operation. Net loss. Okay. Still, you gotta see this company as a profitable business sometime. Can't consistently lose money like this. Same with Lemonade. Give it a few years, you know, to see some improvements in a way. Wow, sales and marketing. Woo, what the? Sales and marketing, how much? Oh, not too much. The total expenses has gone up relatively high, but the thing is, your revenue has gone up double as well, so not too bad. It's okay. It's acceptable. Cash flow as well. Cash, beginning of the year, end of the year. Wow, a lot more cash. And I think they borrowed it, is it? It should be. I'd like to hear that cash position. I think they borrowed it. There's no way they just suddenly increased that much just through the businesses. Ah, there's all the numbers I want to take a look at. The bookings. Nice increase. I don't know what's going on, guys. I'm supposed to be doing an earnings call. No, it's just a live earning report on them, but nothing as of yet, and that's just like, what is going on? All right. Alright, let's see what else I did really pay attention to. Bookings, yup, pretty good. I'll just highlight it on that. Can someone call the CEO and tell them to press the upload button? Someone call CEO and tell them press the upload button for the earnings report. They forgot. Guys, I think they forgot. They actually forgot. It's kind of funny though. Holy, what's going on? Thanks for sticking around, honestly. Yeah, the Metro Mouse is great news. I think it's very important. Oh my gosh, what is going on, everyone? Percentage of revenue. I'll just be right back until they release something. Alright, we still got nothing? Oh my gosh, what is going on, man? Somebody just call management and say, bruh, somebody just press the upload button. Seriously, somebody please do that. Anyways, I'll continue to be right back because they're not uploading it yet. So I'm kind of back, but the thing is, I know a lot of you have been wondering what exactly are they doing with the earnings report. Why haven't they released it yet? We have Gringo here, Lizo devs. Why did they go down after hours? Did you hear about their acquisition with a new company? Oops, sorry. It's a new acquisition with Metromile. So they bought Metromile for about 500 million in stock, so that's what's making it drop. But I think it's a good deal, honestly. Metromile has about 200 million in cash, and it's gonna integrate nicely with their business model for a lemonade car service. I like that. Obviously, this is not a profitable company, right? So both aren't profitable company, but the thing is, the plan is to get both of them to be profitable in the near future, maybe 2 years down the road. And so, just still waiting for results. Gringo, thanks for joining in. Glad to have you all here. What do y'all have expecting predictions for this quarter? What do you guys think will happen? You know, in terms of revenue and all, what do you guys expect? And I honestly think they should do something about earnings. I don't know what's going on with them, honestly. I don't know why they not released it yet. So that's why I'm pretty curious about. You know, usually this is like right on time or after the market hours. Not this late. So something happened. And honestly, I think I'm just gonna go to school or something, because I have my classes in a way. So thanks for tuning in, honestly. Let me just see if I can go on my Zoom. Why did it go down afterwards? Do you understand now? It went down. It went down because they bought the company, Metromile, using all stock. Using more of the stock.
We create our 107.
So I'm just gonna end off the stream here. I'm gonna actually go to do school in a way, so hopefully you all understand. Gotta go to school, focus on my own thing. Kind of weird that they didn't release their earnings report after the market closed now. Don't know what's going on, but thanks a lot for watching. Check out some of my other videos and hope you all learn a lot of things from today. Okay, thank you very much. See you all next time.
That should be in the mark record. And also this week, we're just going to be picking out the main entries. and added entries. All the formatting will be next week. Chapters 22 to